Alright guys, so this is to where you're making your Google Slides for me on Tuesday. So start out on your class link and find Google Applications. There we go, Google Apps. Click on that and open up Google Slides. Now we've done this before last week with your science project. If you haven't done it, go ahead and do it. Check on Friday, that's when it was due. So I'm going to make a blank one. Again, you can make your own kind of add-in if you like. Decorate it how you want it as long as the information's there. That's it. So here you're making me a quick PowerPoint comparing the two types of cells, prokaryotic, eukaryotic. I've given you the information to help you make that. It's up to you how you transform that into your Google Slides. So I'm asking you to use your imagination and the resources I gave you. Now, again, you're on a computer or an iPad, whatever device you have. Do some research as well. Come over here, go to Google, and type in prokaryotic versus eukaryotic cells. See what pops up. Look at some of these and see if there's something different you want to add on to it other than the resource I gave you. Again, use the resources. You have the computer, so let's use it smartly and add something else other than the information I'm just giving you. So I'm taking a grade on the resource I gave you, so you can use that absolutely. However, you need to also use your own resources and your own brain. So come in here, go to Google and find some information, add to it. Don't just put what I gave you, okay? That will be counted wrong, or I won't give you full credit because I want you to try to find something else. I gave you a minimum amount, but I want you to find your own. Because on your assignment, remember it says 3 similarities and 3 differences. So you need to figure out what those are. So you'll come here to Google Slides, put your presentation together. I'm not going to go through it. I've already shown you this before and we've done some in school, so you can figure it out just fine. I will say here's your layout. Here's a good one to use for comparing different things. Here's your theme. So I'll show you those 2 things. This is how you can make it fun and fresh based on what you kind of want to do it as. Now, once you get done with it, to share it, you come here to share. You're going to put your name, please. So let's say my name is Trebing. Put your first and last name. Sorry, let's go back. First and last name. There we go. Save. And then here you're going to put my email. And I'll put that at the bottom. Trinity Basin. Spell it right. .net. And then send it to me. Done. Easy going. Good to go. So get that done. Let me know what questions you have. Remember my times for help, but it's an easy project and a fun project, so have fun with it.